Diwali is just around the corner. The festival of lights is celebrated with great pomp and excitement in India. And Bollywood celebrities are no different. Stars who love going big on festivals have already started attending Diwali parties. The first Diwali party was held yesterday by designer Manish Malhotra. From Alia to Shilpa and Karthik, several celebrities turned up at the Diwali bash. Alia Bhatt, who was amongst the first to arrive, re-wore a stunning embroidered pink lehenga from a mehndi for the occasion. Her sister Shaheen Bhatt wore a pastel green anarkali suit set. Next to arrive was Shilpa Shetty. She looked stunning in a turquoise coloured sari. The actress appeared to be in fun mood as she also seductively posed for the paparazzi. The ever so stunning Rekha looked graceful in an elegant orange, yellow and golden hued sari. The veteran actress also sweetly sat and posed with the paps before heading inside the venue. Ananya Pandey posed with Ori at the bash. The two chose to twin in ivory ensembles. While Ananya looked gorgeous in a white sheer sari with bralette blouse, Ori wore a chikankari kurta and flared silk pants. Varun Dhawan was accompanied by his wife Natasha Dalal. While Varun looked dapper in a grey, black and silver coloured ethnic attire, his wife wore a shimmery beige sari. Karan Johar, who sported a red sherwani and matching trousers, attended the event with his new business partner Adar Poonawalla, who wore a black sherwani. Alaya arrived at the Diwali party in a gorgeous pink sari paired with a matching plunging neckline blouse. Soon after Alaya exited, Janhvi entered the Diwali bash. She looked glamorous as ever in a silver bralette blouse and sari adorned with holographic shimmery sequin work. Kriti Sanon brought the sunshine to the Diwali bash in a gorgeous yellow sequin sari, which she paired with a pearl adorned backless blouse. Arjun Kapoor, who will next be seen in Singham again, arrived solo and looked dapper in a black kurta and pajama. Khushi Kapoor arrived at the Diwali bash in a stunning black sari featuring sequin embroidery paired with a matching bralette blouse. Next to arrive at the party was Shraddha Kapoor, who looked stunning in a semi-sheer sari paired with the matching deep neck blouse. Nora Fatehi showed off a glamorous avatar in a silver metallic sequin sari and a matching halter neck blouse. Shahid Kapoor arrived with his wife Meera Rajput. While Meera looked breathtaking in a silver sequin sari, Shahid's cream embroidered anarkali kurta stole the spotlight. Shah Rukh Khan's daughter Suhana Khan chose a gorgeous red chiffon sari with a strapless corset blouse for the Diwali party. The beautiful Kiara Advani attended the Diwali party with her husband Siddharth Malhotra. She wore a pre-draped sequin sari with a bustier blouse, while Siddharth wore a matching ethnic outfit. Pooja Hegde made a stunning appearance at Manish Malhotra's Diwali bash, wearing a sheer golden, silver and cream-hued sari. At the Diwali party, Tamanna Bhatia looked gorgeous in a sequin red sari paired with a velvet blouse. Disha Patni also arrived at the star-studded bash, wearing a gold tissue sari paired with a plunging neckline blouse. Sharvari Wagh dazzled at Manish Malhotra's Diwali party in a black net sari and an embellished bralette blouse. Tripti Dimli looked stunning at the event in a white pearl adorned sari with a matching blouse. Kartik Aaryan, who is gearing up for Bhool Bhulaiya 3, attended the event wearing an all-black traditional outfit with matching shoes.